Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel, I guess. As you can see, I'm currently climbing a small mountain in the Pyrenees, in the Spanish Pyrenees to be precise. And yeah, I thought it would be fun and useful to give an explanation about this YouTube channel and what is all of this stuff about. So this is my fourth longer trip in the mountains. First one, the Pyrenees. Doing these clips or this vlog helps me collect and organize memories in a good way. As you can see, I'm all alone out here and talking to something, even though it's just a camera, makes you feel like you have a company, you're not alone, and and it's much more fun than just talking to yourself or to your imaginary friend or whatever. So anyways, this hill is scaring me. Okay, this trip, I started this trip in Bayonne, as you've seen on the footage. From Bayonne, I'm riding through the Pyrenees all the way to Barcelona. From there, up on the French Riviera to Monaco, from where I'm heading up north in the Alps to climb some passes and mountains and finish my journey around Geneva in Switzerland. So it's gonna be a long one. It's gonna take more than a month, maybe 4 days. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, I hope you like this kind of stuff, this content, and yeah, come join me and enjoy the views, enjoy the journey. This little climb turned out to be the first pass of my journey. It's not that high, around 600 meters, but I came from the sea level, so it was quite a lot of climbing to get up here. Hey there, you probably can't see anything of my face and of anything in this tent or whatever. Just giving a quick update. So after 8 p.m. I started looking around and was trying to find some sort of shelter for the night. And what I usually do is go around towns and ask people if I could sleep in their garden, in their backyard, and sometimes I succeed, sometimes people just send me away, but this time I was so lucky. Went up to a huge house, it was a farm or something, and asked if I could sleep over in their garden, and people were just so kind. They let me in without any questions, gave me free food, free shower, and yeah, I got so lucky today. I will try not to get used to this stuff because it's not gonna be this good always. Tomorrow we are going to do some climbing morning, and after that we shall see. I just left the beautiful town of Iruna after a quick coffee, and the plan is to go up to those mountains. As you can see, it stopped raining, which is good. Hopefully it's gonna stay that way, and it's gonna be quite a lot of climbing, around 16 kilometers to the summit. Not quite steep, around 4 or 5% on average, but the top 3 or 4 kilometers gonna reach around 15 or 14%, which is not gonna feel that great. I can already imagine. It's starting to rain again, but it's not that bad, just a drizzle. Still got 14 k's to go, maybe a bit less. Finally stopped raining. We are about 8 k's in, and the scenery is really starting to show itself. I mean, because of the clouds, can't see that much, but we are getting up there, seeing bigger mountains, and it's just a really pleasant climb, not that steep. You don't even have to keep stopping to regenerate, and the tarmac is also fantastic. Perfect climb for beginners or for warming up for the more serious ones. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Look at that. And that's where we came from, down there. That's where I came from, I believe, from down there, and this looks like the top of the mountain, or the pass at least. Overall it was a great climb, but these last 2 k's just absolutely killed me. They were like 14% steep. Hola, amigo. What a lovely little place.